Hello everyone! Let me show you how to make one of the most classic dishes in European countries such as the Slovak and Czech Republic, Poland or Austria. It's the pork schnitzel with the mayo potato salad. Start by boiling about 1 kilo, which is roughly 2 pounds of potatoes, with their skin on for about 20 or 25 minutes. Some waxy type works the best, since these hold their shape the best when cooked. Remove the skin and cube the potatoes with a hand dicer or by using a knife. This salad only requires a few ingredients and it's really easy to put together. Finely diced pickles. I've used 8 medium-sized pieces. Also add 3 or 4 tablespoons of the pickle juice. Now a cup of canned carrots and peas mix. And half a cup of canned sweet corn. 1 cup or 250 grams of mayo. 1 cup or 250 grams of sour cream. Season with salt and pepper. The last thing to add is 1 lightly sauteed onion. Now mix everything together properly and let it chill in the fridge. Pork schnitzel is usually made from pork loin, but I'm using tenderloin since it's more tender and flavorful. Remove the silver skin, then cut into 1 centimeter or half an inch thick slices. Now it's hammer time. Just a few hits per side, we're not making paper, right? Season with salt and pepper from both sides. Now coat each piece in flour from both sides and set aside. Beat a few eggs, depending on how much meat you're working with. I needed 4 eggs. Season with salt and pepper, of course. Coating time. First the egg, then breadcrumbs. I like to use a baking dish. It makes things so much easier, as you can see. It's time to fry. You can use vegetable oil or lard, whatever you prefer. Do not go for the max temperature, as the breadcrumbs would burn. Medium-high is just about right. Give it about 3 minutes per side, and once the color turns golden brown, it's time to flip. Transfer the finished schnitzels into a bowl with a paper towel in it. This will absorb the excess fat. And we're done. It's time to serve. It's common to put a slice of lemon onto the plate. Many people love to put some lemon juice on top of their schnitzels. I don't really like that personally, but it's an option to consider. Thanks for watching, and let me know how you like this recipe in the comments.